Hey there! Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when trying to sync folders with exceptions based on tags. The issue at hand is that while creating a list of excluded files with specific tags is straightforward, using that list with Rsync proves to be a bit trickier. The absolute file paths generated by the initial command don't quite align with what Rsync needs, as it requires relative paths instead. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It just doesn't work seamlessly. Now, let's talk about a solution to this dilemma. The key lies in leveraging the power of the sed command to make those absolute paths relative. By using the mdfind command to filter files based on tags, and then piping the output to sed with a clever substitution pattern, we can trim away the unnecessary leading part of the path. This refined list becomes our excluded.txt file, now populated with relative paths ready to be utilized by Rsync for syncing with the desired exceptions. It's like giving Rsync a map with clearer directions, ensuring it doesn't wander off track. In summary, we've tackled the problem of syncing folders with tag-based exceptions by creatively manipulating file paths using mdfind, sed, and Rsync. By transforming absolute paths into relative ones, we've optimized the process and achieved our desired outcome. Remember, when it comes to syncing with exceptions, a little path tweaking goes a long way. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy syncing!